Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Ellie. I'm a painter and I'm hugely inspired by my neighborhood forest. And I was shooting a footage of myself in the forest today, which is made for my special first time solo show in MASA gallery in Riga. And I'm super excited about it. It was really fun to film this footage. I had fun and I laughed at myself a lot. It's really funny to see myself film myself, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I think it's a really cute and fun video of me making fun of myself and enjoying the nature and the forest. And the exhibition starts in November, and I have collected some nature materials as well, some tree bark and stones and sand. It was really cold today and windy, but I thought that I need to do this finally to get all the things prepared for the show. And yeah, I just wanted to combine this little clip of myself in the forest just for my own memories, to look back at it when it's all gone and over. And it was such a lovely idea to shoot myself. I was really shy at first, but then I thought, what the heck? Nobody's watching. I was almost alone in the forest. It was super windy and cold, and my fingers were really, really cold. I couldn't get them warm for a while after that, but I'm happy that I did it. It's a cool experience, and I think I will do it again. Maybe we'll bring my paintings into the forest to film them as well. And yeah, I'm really enjoying the what I made today, and I feel proud of myself, proud of letting go of my shyness and scarcity. And I really hope this exhibition turns out well, and I really hope if you like what I do, you will come and see it in MASA studio in Riga. And yeah, all the paintings are ready, all nature materials are collected, and it's just final steps before the show begins. And I cannot wait for it to happen. I cannot wait for my paintings to be hung on the walls and for people to see them. And I really hope people will find connection with nature through this exhibition, through the installations with tree branches and moss. It was really exciting to collect all these materials, and I'm looking forward to see how it all turns out eventually, how the exhibition will look like, and how people will react to it as well. And yeah, it was really a challenging experience to come up with ideas what to do in the forest and not make it look too silly, but I guess some of the videos turned out really silly, and it's okay. It's really cool to make fun of yourself sometimes, I feel like, and it's not all serious all the time. You have to let go of all your burdens, of all your worries, and just enjoy yourself sometimes. And yeah, I felt like a little girl in the forest, and I chose this outfit to be really bright, my favorite pink coat and my favorite white boots, just to make it a little more colorful in the forest. Although it's really colorful now since it's fall and all the leaves are falling, the nature is really, really beautiful this time of the year. I guess it's even more beautiful than in the summer. So I hope you enjoyed this little clip. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you. Bye.